Greetings, Tracy Elementary students. Mrs. Lackey and I are so excited that you're back at school. We had a terrific first 3 days here at Tracy Elementary School, and we are so excited for the rest of the year and all that you're going to learn, you seeing all of your friends, and you experiencing school in person. We are also very proud of you for how well you did last week at the Tracy Elementary Cool to Be Kind training centers that we had throughout the school. We practiced how we behave in the hall, going home, cafeteria or eating in the classroom, playgrounds, and also in the restroom. As I said, we are so excited that you participated in those activities and you listened so well because we see you each and every day practicing those skills that you learned last week.
Welcome back, Tracy Tigers. It's been great seeing your smiles and seeing you in your classrooms. So we're going to review a couple things that you talked about last week, and these things apply all year long whenever you go to the certain places throughout our school. So the first one I want to talk about is the playground. So this year it's a little bit different at the playground. One day you go to the playground equipment, the other day you go to the blacktop. But really these rules apply no matter where you go on our playground. And I know you worked with Mrs. Weiss last week, and you will continue to work with her at the playground and following those safe behaviors. It's really important to be kind when you're on the playground. Just like everywhere at Tracy, we are respectful, we are responsible, and we are kind. So look for this sign out there. You'll see this sign on the side of our school in a couple of different locations by our playground equipment. If you can remember safety first, anything on the ground stays on the ground, find friends, everyone follows directions, treat others the way you want to be treated, and you must sign up when called. If you can remember those things, you will have a successful and fun recess time each and every day.
Also, on your way to recess each day, you're going to be passing through the hall. Remember, going over this with Mrs. Dennis, we have hands at your side, all eyes forward, low speed, and of course, level 0 voice, or as Mrs. Dennis puts it, lips closed. All of you have done a fantastic job each and every day in the hall, and that's the expectation that should happen each and every time. We would also like to take a look at the restroom, and I know you spent some time with Mrs. Sack and also our wonderful librarian discussing about what happens when you use the restroom. And of course, it has a wonderful acronym, FLUSH. The first things, once again, floors must stay dry. As you're washing your hands, please make sure you use soap, wash your hands, get some paper towel, and dry your hands and place the towel inside of the trash receptacle. Next, L, leave it clean. Remember, you come in, the restroom is clean, and after you leave, it should be clean. Next, we want to make sure that we use it quietly. Other classes are still going on, and there most likely is only 1 or 2 other students in the restroom. You simply go in, take care of what you're there to do business for, and then wash your hands and leave quietly. Soft voices. If you do need to speak, you need to make sure that it's level 1. Very, very quiet. And last but not least, as we always do here at Tracy Elementary School, we always wash our hands. It is a fun little acronym, FLUSH. We also want to do that. If you have questions or concerns, make sure that you do see your teachers to help assist with that. So those are what we're going to review this week, but next week we're going to talk about some other areas of the school that Mrs. Lackey and I are so proud that you are doing so well. We are really counting on each and every Tracy Tiger to do their very best, being respectful, responsible, and kind.
You will start doing some activities with your teacher this week from our Second Step program. There's a couple weeks of new activities that you've never had before, and then you'll move into the new activities for your grade level. So remember, every week you will be doing a second step activity with your class and your teachers. We hope that you learn a lot, and just remember to be respectful, responsible, and safe each and every day here at Tracy.
So Tracy Elementary, with that in mind, have a great Tiger Day. Bye-bye.
Grr.